Okay, here's the best way I found to fix when a screw hole in your cabinet door is too loose and the cabinet door is falling off. I take a wood skewer and some wood glue, and I'm going to use this to fill the hole in the cabinet. The reason why I love this wood skewer is because it's tapered on the end and comes to a point, almost like a shim, a wood shim you would use for adjusting doors. I'm going to take the tip and put some wood glue on it and then stick this wood skewer into the cabinet pre-drilled hole as far as I can. Okay, so I have the skewer in as far as it will go, and this is just filling the hole for me. Then I'm going to take a utility knife and cut this to where it will be flush with the cabinet. This will allow something for the new screw to grab onto when I try to rehang the cabinet door. And then when you put the cabinet door back up, that screw now has something to grab onto where it used to just be a loose hole. I've seen people do this with toothpicks before. I personally prefer using the wood skewer because I feel like it's a stronger substance to put into that hole, which will allow the cabinet door to be more secure when I screw it in. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit that like button, and I always appreciate people subscribing to my channel.